This is my collection of thornless blackberry. People ask me why do I even buy blackberry when they're wild and they're everywhere. Well, mine are thornless, so great with kids, and I'm looking for one that tastes really good and thornless. So I found that Ark Traveler, this is a good variety. It tastes very good. It's just different than the one you get in the market. Also, Triple Crown right here is good. I had a chance to eat them both. They look like this. See? Get in there. I had a chance to eat a baby cakes. Ooh, there we go. A baby cake one, and it wasn't ripe enough, so it was a little sour, so I didn't buy one. But at a friend's house near Renton, I was able to get a ripe one, and they were huge, much bigger, and they tasted really good. So I'll have to collect one of those. But for now, this is a black satin. This is really good too. So when you pull on it and it comes off easily, then it's ripe. It's more dull than a shine finish. Where is this? Here we go. So they're a little bit different. So the ripe one should be more dull than shiny. Yeah. So I'm pretty happy collecting thornless blackberry bushes.